Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So today we are starting question number 5 from exercise 7.1. So all the example in this new syllabus are very properly constructed. So now here we have to find out solution set. Solve graphically means we have to find out solution set of given linear inequalities and equalities. So here two expressions are given to us and we have to find out solution set. Solution set means set of all such points which satisfies both these expressions. Now to find out the solution set, already we have seen a method. First we have to draw a line. So to find out solution set of these two expressions, draw these two lines. So whenever we are constructing the line, instead of inequality, here we have to consider what? Equality, because equality means linear equation and we know that linear equation represents straight line. And to construct a straight line, we have to find out position of 2 points on the line. So first we are trying to find out coordinate of 2 points on the line. So what is the equation of line here? 2x plus y is equals to 2. So this is the first line, and whenever in the equation of line term of x is also present, y is also present and constant term is also present, at that time already we have seen how to find out coordinate of 2 points on the line. Here this line neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis, it does not passes through origin. It will intersect somewhere to x-axis and somewhere to what? Y-axis. Our interest is to find out coordinate of a point on this line on x-axis and on y-axis. To find out the coordinate on x-axis, substitute y is equals to 0, and to find out coordinate of a point on y-axis, substitute x is equals to 0. If we are substituting y is equals to 0, so this term will become 0 and remaining term will be 2x is equals to 2. Simplifying it, we will get x is equals to 1. In this way we have got coordinate of 1 point on a line and this point lies on what? X-axis. If we are substituting x is equal to 0, this term will become 0 and what result we will get? Y will be equals to 2. So we can say that line passes through the point 1, 0 and 0, 2. So once the coordinate of 2 points on the line is known to us, easily we are able to draw a line. Now observe the sign. Sign means here which sign is used? Greater than or equals to. Greater than or equals to. Remember that less than or equals to always represent origin side and greater than or equals to always represents what? Non-origin side. Means if line does not passes through origin, then for that line one side is origin part and one side is non-origin part, isn't it? Line divide the plane in two parts. One part is origin side part, one part is non-origin side part. If greater than or equals to appears in the equation, at that time we can say that non-origin side part will be our solution set, and in case if less than or equals to appears, at that time we can say that origin side part will be the solution set. Simply remember it in this way, but the important condition is that the number on this side should be what? Positive, and generally it is in our example the number on the right hand sides are always what? Positive. In case if the number is negative, at that time this condition does not satisfy. Remember that. So here greater than is there and number on this side is also positive. That's why we can say that our solution set or required region is non-origin side. Non-origin side. Now let us try to find out coordinate of 2 points on the line. Second equation of line is x minus y is equals to 1. Here also all the three terms are present. If three terms are present, then use the same method which you applied in the last example. First substitute y is equal to 0. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, this term will become 0. We will get x is equals to 1, and if I am substituting x is equals to 0, then this term will become 0 and minus y is equal to 1 means y is equal to minus 1. In this way we can say that this line passes through the point 1, 0 and 0, minus 1. In this case, which inequality sign appears here? Less than or equals to. And in case of less than or equals to, we can say that origin side part will be our required region. So origin side part will be our required region. So using all these conditions, so let us try to draw the line. First we are finding position of 2 points on the line first. First 1, 0 means it is the point on x-axis, and 0, 2 means it is the point on y-axis. Once the position of 2 points on a line is known to us, easily we are able to draw a line. So draw a line passing through these 2 points. So in this way we have got our first line. Now write down the equation of this line. What is the equation of this line? 2x plus y is equals to 2. Now let us try to construct the second line which passes through the point 1, 0 and 0, -1. 1, 0 means same point we are getting here. 1, 0 it is the point on x-axis, and 0, -1 since x coordinate is 0 means point lies on y-axis, and here this is the position 0, -1. Once the position of 2 points on the line is known to us, draw a line passing through these 2 points. So let us construct a line passing through these 2 points, and once the line is constructed, write down the equation of that line also. What is the equation of this line? X minus y is equals to 1. Once the lines are constructed, then our aim is to find out solution set, means such region which is satisfied by both these expressions, isn't it? Already we have seen that here greater than is there, means for first line greater than appears, means for this line non-origin side part will be the solution set. Is it our first line? And for this line, which part is the solution set? Non-origin side part. So this is origin side part, and this is what? Non-origin side part. Since non-origin side part is solution set, means this origin side part, all the part on this side will get deleted. For this line, for first line, this part is not the solution set, non-origin side part is the solution set. तो ये side के जितने भी part है ये सब delete हो गए. Now only remaining part is, this is first part and this is what? Second part. So now which part is our solution set? That depend on the second line. Now for the second line, less than or equals to appears, means we can say that origin side part will be the solution set. Observe this second line, and for this second line, this part is origin side part, but this part is already related, means this part will be our required region, because for this line this is non-origin side part region, isn't it? So this is the set of point which will be satisfied by given equation. So we can say that this will be our required solution set. So in this way we have got our required solution set. The shaded portion in this figure represent set of all points satisfying given expressions in the example. Hope the idea about how to find out the solution set is clear to you. Lastly, write down the shaded portion. Shaded portion in figure is required solution set. Whenever we are solving the given equations or given expressions, means we are finding what? Solution set. So in this way, using graphical method, we have got set of all such point which satisfies both these expressions. Now let us try to solve the second example. The method which you applied in the first example, exactly same method we are applying in the second example. So here also two expressions are given to us. To find out their solution set, first we are constructing these two lines, x minus y is equals to 2, and second line is x plus 2y is equals to 8. So to find out or to construct this line, let us try to find out coordinate of 2 point on the line. Here also all the three term x, y and constant term is present. At that time, to find out coordinate of 2 point, first substitute y is equal to 0. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, we can observe that we will get x is equals to 2, and if we are substituting x is equals to 0, we will get y is equal to what? Minus 2. So minus y is equal to 2 means y is equal to minus 2. In this way, coordinate of 2 point on the line first are 2, 0 and 0, minus 2. And here which sign is there? Less than. If less than or equals to appears, at that time we know that origin side part will be our solution set. So origin side. So our solution set or our required region is origin side. Now in the second equation, to find out 2 point, first I am replacing y by 0. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, here x will be equals to 8, and if I am substituting x is equals to 0, then 2y is equal to 8 implies that y is equals to 4. So coordinate of first point are 8, 0 and second point are 0, 4. In this equation also, in this expression also, less than or equals to appears. Here also we can say that our required solution set is origin side part. So origin side. Once all these things, all the coordinates are known to us on the line, then try to construct the line. Observe the first line. First line passes through the point 2, 0 and 0, -2, means passes through these 2 points. So once the position of 2 point on the line is known to us, draw a line passing through these 2 points. So draw our first line which passes through these 2 points, 2, 0 and 0, -2, 2, 0 and 0, -2. Here, what is the equation of line? Equation of line is x minus y is equals to 2. Now, observe the second line. Second line passes through the point 8, 0 and 0, 4. This is 8, 0 and here we will get 0, 4. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. So, well, we have constructed second line also which passes through the point 0, 4 and 8, 0. And what is this equation of second line? It's x plus 2y is equals to 8. Once both the lines are known to us, already we have written that for both the line, which is our solution set, origin side part will be the solution set. Now try to find out such region which will be satisfied by both the expression. Now for this side, for which line x plus 2y is equals to 8, origin side part will be the solution set. Means this non-origin side part will get deleted. So origin side part will be our solution set. And observe for this second line also, which part is our solution set? Origin side. So this is non-origin side, means this is origin side, means this part will also get deleted. Means for both the line, for this line also origin side and for this line also origin side part will be solution set. Means we can say that the shaded portion in this figure is our required solution set. Getting it? So for the first line also origin side and for the second line also origin side. So here we can say that shaded portion in the figure. So therefore shaded portion in figure is required solution set. In this way we have got the solution set of the given expressions. Now see the example number 3rd. Again we are applying same method which we have applied in last 2 examples. So first consider the given expression. So to find out their solution set, first draw the line x plus y is equal to 6 and second line is x plus y is equals to 10. So first we are trying to find out coordinate of 2 point on the line x plus y is equal to 6. So method is very well known to you. If you are substituting y is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 6, and if you are substituting x is equals to 0, y will be equal to 6. In this way our first line passes through the point 6, 0 and 0, 6. In the first equation, greater than or equals to sign appears, and if greater than or equals to sign appears, at that time we know that non-origin side will be our required region. Now observe the second line. Equation of second line is x plus 2y is equals to 10. Here also first we are trying to find out coordinate of 2 point. So first substitute y is equal to 0. Easily we can say that x will be equals to 10, and if you are substituting x is equal to 0, so 2y is equals to 10 means y will be equals to 5. So coordinate of 2 point on the line are 10, 0 and 0, 5. In the second equation, less than or equals to appears, and for less than or equals to, we know that origin side will be our required region. So now coordinate of a point on the line are known to us. So let us try to construct the line. coordinate of point on the line first are 6, 0 and 0, 6. Let us try to draw a line passing through these 2 points, 6, 0 and 0, 6. So this is our first line. X plus y is equals to 6. So here first line is constructed which passes through the point 0, 6 and 6, 0. X plus y is equal to 6. Now observe the coordinate of a point on the line second, 10, 0. So here we will get 10, 0 and 0, 5 means 0, 5. These are 2 points on our second line. So draw a line passing through these 2 points. So let us try to draw a line passing through these 2 points. So here in this way we have got our second line also, where equation of second line is x plus 2y is equals to 10. Once both the lines are constructed, then observing these inequalities we have to find out solution set. For the first line greater than or equals to appears, means for which line x plus y is equal to 6. Greater than or equals to means non-origin side. This will be origin side part. Origin side part is not our solution set. So this all the part on this origin side will get deleted. This non-origin side part will be our solution set. तो ये सब part क्या हो गया है, अभी delete हो गया है for the from the or by the first expression. Now for the second expression, origin side part will be our solution set. Is it our second line? And for this line origin side part, लेकिन पहले तो ये part already क्या है, deleted है. अभी बचे हुए जो parts है, बचे हुए जो part है, इनमें कहीं पे तो भी हमारा solution set है. And our second line says that origin side part will be solution set. Origin side, this part is already deleted by first line. Now origin side part means this part will be the solution set. Means here we can say that the shaded portion, this is the region, common region for what? Not only for one expression, we have to find out the common region or set of all such points which will be satisfied by what? Both the lines. So here this will be this line, both the lines. So in this way we have got the solution set of both the expressions. So lastly write down, so shaded portion, so therefore shaded portion in figure is our required solution set. In this way we are finding solution set of given expressions. Now see the question number 5. In this question, so again two expressions are given to us. First we have to construct the line to find out solution set of these two expressions. So what is our first line here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, and second line is x plus 4y is equals to 4. From this expression we will get our required line. Now to construct the line, try to find out coordinate of 2 points on the line. So first we are finding coordinate of a point on x-axis. For that purpose substitute y is equal to 0. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, this term will become 0. 2x is equal to 6 means x is equal to 3. And if I am substituting x is equals to 0, this term will become 0, and 3y is equal to 6 implies that y is equal to 2. In this way we have got coordinate of 2 points on the line first. Coordinate of first point are 3, 0 and second point is 0, 2. Use the same method to find out coordinate of 2 points on this line second. First we are substituting y is equal to 0. This term will become 0, which implies that x is equals to 4. And if I am substituting x is equals to 0, 4y is equals to 4 implies that y is equals to 1. In this way we have got coordinate of 2 points. First point is 4, 0 and coordinate of second point is 0, 1. Now observe the signs here. In the first equation less than or equals to is there, means we can say that origin side part will be our required region. In the next line greater than or equals to is there, so we can say that non-origin side part will be our required solution set. So let us try to construct first line which passes through the point 3, 0 and 0, 2. These are the 2 points on the line first. Let us try to draw a line passing through these 2 points. So our first line passes through the point 0, 2 and 3, 0. So here equation of this first line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now observe the coordinate of a point on the line second. 4 comma 0 is our first point, and what here second point is 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. So position of both the point is known to us, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Now draw a line passing through these 2 points. So let us try to draw a line passing through these 2 points here. So once the second line is also constructed, so write down the equation of this line, that is x plus 4y is equals to 4. Now from the inequations we are trying to find out our required solution set. For the first line, origin side part will be the solution set. Means for this line, this origin side part will be our solution set. And for the second line, non-origin side, means this origin side part is not solution set. Non-origin side part will be the solution set. So here we can say that for the first line origin side, for the second line non-origin side part, means we can observe that this is the common region for both the lines from these inequations. So here we can say that the shaded portion in figure is required solution set. In this way we have got solution set of the given expressions. So now let us try to solve the last example number 5 from question number 5. In this case also 2 expressions are given to us and we have to solve these expressions, means we have to find out solution set, means set of all point which satisfies both the expression. So here from the first expression, what equation of line we are getting? 2x plus y is equals to 5, and from the second expression we will get which line? X minus y is equals to 1. We are trying to find out coordinate of a point on the line first. So if I am substituting y is equal to 0 here, 2x is equals to 5, means x is equal to 5 by 2. And if I am substituting x is equals to 0, so y will be equals to 5 here. In this way, coordinate of first point on this line is 5 by 2 comma 0 and second point is 0 comma 5. In this way we have got coordinate of 2 point on the line first. Let us try to find out coordinate of a point on the line second. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, this term will become 0, x will be equals to 1. And if I am substituting x is equals to 0 minus y is equal to 1, means y is equal to minus 1. So coordinate of 2 point on the line second are 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. Now for the first line, which inequality symbol appears here? Greater than or equals to, and for second equation less than or equals to. We have already seen that greater than or equals to represent non-origin side part, non-origin side, and less than or equals to represent origin side. Origin side part will be our solution set. Now let us try to construct first line which passes through the point which point 5 by 2 comma 0. 5 by 2 means 2.5. It will lies somewhere in between 2 and 3. So this is our first point, and second point has coordinate 0 comma 5. Once the coordinate of 2 point on the line is known to us, draw a line passing through these 2 points. So let us try to draw our first required line. So well, once the first line is constructed, so write down the equation of that line. What is the equation of this line? 2x plus y is equals to 5. Now observe the coordinate of 2 point on the line second. Coordinate of one point is 1 comma 0 and coordinate of second point is 0 comma minus 1. So once 2 points are known to us, draw a line passing through these 2 points. So this will be our second required line. And what is the equation of this line? Equation of second line is x minus y is equals to 1. Now only the remaining part is to find out solution set using these signs. Greater than or equals to means for first line, non-origin side part is our solution set. Observe this line. For this line, this is origin side part and this is what? Non-origin side part. So since greater than appears, means we can say that this non-origin side part is our solution set lies on this non-origin side part. Means this whole part is deleted by first expression. Now for the second equation, less than or equals to means origin side part appears, means for this line origin side part will be the solution set. Already this part is deleted by what? First equation. And for this line origin side, this is origin side for this line. So means this is the portion which is non-origin side for first line, and for the second line it is origin side part. So means we can say that the shaded portion is our required solution set. So in this way we are able to find out solution set of this of given expression. So here write down lastly, shaded portion in figure is required solution set. So in this way we have completed this exercise 7.1. In the next lecture, after discussing some definition, we will start exercise 7.2.